let's talk a little bit about logic. We're going to talk about the if-then statement. Now, you've probably used the heck out of it when you're using worksheet functions. It looks something like this. So let's put the number 5 in cell C6, and then over here we're going to say equals if, and we're going to say if this equals 12, then, I put a comma by saying then. If this equals 12, then great, then we'll say true. Otherwise, if it's false, we're going to say false. So what do you think it's going to be right now? It's going to be false because C6 is not equal to 12, it's 5. So if I hit enter, we get a false. And then you're going to get a false until you get the number 12 in there. And then, whoa, it's true. And so that's what we want to see. So let's make that 5 again, and let's do that in VBA. Alt F11. We're going to make it, Alt F11. We're going to make a new sub. We're just going to call it my, sub my if statement. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use the if statement. First, we're going to show you the if-then statement. So whenever you type the word if, you better remember you need to put an end if at the end. So let's begin. If range, remember range C6, you can't just say C6. If range C6, you could put not value, I'm not going to. If range C6 equals 12, and you type the word then, T-H-E-N. If range C6 is 12, well then, enter. Now remember, this is the good time to put end if. So let's go end if and hit up. It'll auto capitalize if you did it right. Tab, up, tab, okay. So if range C6 is 12, then good. Let's do a message box that says good. Okay, so let's try it. We're going to hit F5. Well, you see that nothing happened, so obviously it's not equal to 12. Let's make this equal to 12, and we'll run it again. Alt F11, and now let's run it. F5. Good. So it must have been 12.